Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video we're going to be changing out the cabin air filter on this 370Z.
In today's video, we're going to be installing a ATP carbon charge air filter. If you want to check these out, I have the link down in the description below.
So, what you need to do is you might need one of these long extension Phillips heads here connected to a drill, but basically this glove box was attached right over here, but you're gonna have 7 screws that you're gonna have to take out. I'm gonna show you where each of them are located right now. So these top 4 need to come out. Next, you have another one that's hidden right back here, and then you have 2 other ones that are on the bottom left and right corner. Once you do that, then you just have to try to grab beneath it right here and wiggle it out, and the whole thing should pop out of place just like that. So your cabin air filter is actually right behind where you see that little tab. You just grab this little portion right here, pop it out, and then you pull it away from you like that. Then pay attention to where you see the air filter there. You see where the arrows are down. You want to make sure it's facing the same way. So let's take this out. Here's the old cabin air filter. You can see it's really dirty. It's got bugs, leaves, and all kinds of stuff in there. Then here's the new one right here, and just have it facing the same way. That's the side profile. This is the front, and you just stick it inside there just like that. Then you just do the reverse installation and you're all done. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below, but be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And as always, thank you all for watching.